Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync segment to Google Customer Match with Omnisend. All right, so first up, go ahead over to the top, click on Apps. Now, use the search bar and type down Google, and you have Google Ads Customer Match right here. Just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just click on Connect Now. All right. In here, we're just basically going to sign in with our Google account. Hit on Continue. Now we have Google Ads Customer Match right here. Just go ahead and select your Google Ads account. I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. And then it says here, do you market people in the European Economic Area? If not, well, click on No. If yes, well, hit on Yes. Hit on Connect right here. Wait for it to load. And as you can see here, it now says connected. You can now then go ahead and click on Save. Okay. And once that's done, just close the app market. Now click on Close App Market once more. And in here, let's just go ahead over to Audiences or Audience. Go ahead and click on Segment. Okay, if you want to, you can go ahead and create a new segment. For example, let's just go ahead and create one. Okay, create from scratch, like so. Add in a filter, maybe just subscription status right here. Hit on Save. Under the segment name, could be just Google. Hit on Save. Now go back to Segments, click on it. Now we have the Google segment right here. Just basically click on three dots. Now click on Sync to Google. All right. Now go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Okay. Which contacts do you want to sync? Select one, all contacts maybe, and hit on Continue. Now go ahead and select the Google audience that you want, or you can go ahead and create new Google Ad audience right here. And after that, just hit on Continue, follow the simple prompts, review it, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.